happen at the party stays in the party.
Hey you guys, so we're in the Bahamas. We're at a restaurant right now. I'm gonna look right here. My little cheat sheet is called Eat Right, the Right Vegan restaurant, and we found it basically by Googling Nassau, Bahamas vegan food. And y'all, it smells so good in here. It's a very quaint little small restaurant. We just ordered a chickpea wrap, a curry chickpea wrap, as well as some California bites. We also ordered some plantain salad.
Cauliflower bites.
What did I say?
Cauliflower bites.
Really? Cauliflower bites. Those are for Liv. And then we got, Babe got just plain plantain, and we have our taxi driver. That interestingly enough, he was in Florida, but he came back home to the Bahamas 8 years ago. So he's waiting for us outside, and we're just so excited that we found some style food here. And it's several places. This is just one that stood out because the food looked amazing. So we'll show you guys that in a moment.
One of the owners was so nice to give us a little sample. This looks like it's vegan nachos, black beans. The sour cream is vegan, of course. It's guacamole. This looks so divine, and she was so nice to give us. Oh, it's got some corn in it too. Ooh. Let me give it a sample. Very good, very good.
All right, y'all, gotta go because I'm ready to eat too. So we just got our food, and it looks delicious. We got some ginger lemonade, y'all. This is, as my babe would say, baya, which is really good. And now we're headed to the beach. I don't recall the name of it, but we'll show you guys in a moment. Junkadoo?
Yep.
Hey, we're headed to the Junkadoo.
All right, mommy. You got the, let me see, hold it up. Ooh, that looks good. And that's the curry chickpea wrap, right? Mm-hmm. All right, good stuff. Liberty guy, you want to show everybody what you got, Liv? Can I tell them what you got? All right, so Liberty got the buffalo cauliflower. And the lady was so nice to throw in fries. And then Mommy got plantain salad. And then can you open mine up, Mommy? I just got...
If I can get it open with one hand. There we go.
And I just got plantain. All right, now we're gonna head back to the ship. It's kind of good to be off the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going a little stir crazy.
You were.
Just for one day.
You've been sleeping the whole time.
We have been. We were sleeping good, y'all. We don't do it.
Oh my goodness.
It's good.
Babe, you got.
Oh, let me try.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh, it is good. That's very good. Let me get some of this plantain. I want a coconut. Maybe I know you want coconut. Oh, yeah.
It's good, babe.
And I knew it was good when I seen Big Mama in the back preparing and stuff. And the owner was so nice. It's a young lady. Her two sons were there, and it was dope. They took American money. It's dollar for dollar out here, so we paid a good amount, but it's all vegan, and we're definitely gonna be back.
Yeah, we'll be back for sure, babe.
For sure. All right, we found a free beach out here. This is called Junkadoo Beach, right here by the ship. As you see, it's in the background. Just full out there. Full. We didn't even know it was that much food.
No, we couldn't eat it all.
Liberty making some sandcastles right now. Enjoying the water.
Yeah, she told us the water was not cold, y'all. The water is cold.
Okay, cold.
We were like, we're gonna wait till tomorrow so we get to the other island.
Oh yeah, Cocoa Cake.
He said it's Cocoa Key, babe.
I thought it was Cocoa Cake.
I did too, but the native gentleman said that.
Liv, you collecting some seawater? Okay. We'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Ah!
Hey y'all, so right here, this is the Pompeii Museum of Slavery and Emancipation. Too bad we didn't get to make it here, but definitely when we choose to come back, we'll have to come make this a visit.
So we're heading back to the ship.
Yeah.
This is the little area.
Yeah, the little touristy area, I guess. Yeah.
Liberty made some sandcastles and we got some rocks, didn't we? Say whatever you buying, we ain't showing.
Yeah.
Somebody approached us.
And we just
Hold on. Somebody approached us and asked us if we were going to be here another day.
And I'm like, no, babe. Said, oh, I thought you were going to stop. No, we trying to get back to our ship. No, we're not interested.
Yeah, no. Not interested.
Oh, babe,
look, souvenirs. All right.
Can you tell us where to find magnets, please? Magnets, or in the front of you. Okay, thank you.
All right, so this is our ship right here, and then looks like Carnival's here as well.
Yeah.
And that's
the Liberty.
Ironically enough, the Carnival Liberty. Let's see if y'all can see it. Probably cannot. We were just saying, I agree with you. That it's really cool that this particular cruise line, we didn't have to rush to get back.
Yeah, to even leave. You know, we woke up, we had breakfast early this morning, we went back to sleep.
Yep.
Then we woke up, showered, and came out. And then here it is now, it's what, maybe 6 or so, 7 o'clock maybe. But we don't leave until 11, y'all. 11:30 from the Bahamas.
Yeah.
So it's really cool.
And around it, I'm just gonna see if we can get around this ship called the Amberjack. So, hold on, the Carnival Liberty there. Amberjack is there. Now, can I get a Marvin something? Something with Marvin?
That's true.
I tried to get a coconut, and I confirmed that the local price is $2, but they're trying to charge us $5. I'm like,
and y'all know, babe, don't play that. His frugal self was just like, But then I said, well, babe, if you want it, go ahead and get it. I'm full, so I didn't want it today. I said, let's get it tomorrow.
I couldn't get it on principle.
Yeah.
Because I know that they were giving us the tourist price.
Of course.
And the security guard confirmed it.
Yeah.
I'm like, I tried my best Bahamian accent. I said, can we get a coconut? It didn't work.
Yeah, it was good, babe. But that's okay. Tomorrow we'll believe and we'll be able to get one at the local price.
At the local price.
All right, let's turn this way, babe.
Well, here's Atlantis.
Oh, yeah.
The resort. Over there. You can see it right there. It looks a lot better on TV. So we were talking briefly about whose breakfast was better between Carnival and Royal Caribbean. So far, Carnival's breakfast was better.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna try to see what the dinner is tonight. They're aware that we're on board, even though we told them beforehand that we're vegan. They try to whip up something in the last night, but tonight is really they're prepared for us. So they said that we're gonna get some chicken soy, like some soy patés, like chicken strips maybe. That's vegan soy chunks. Yeah.
And some vegan meatballs.
Yes.
And I forgot what the appetizer is. You remember, babe?
I don't remember.
Oh, some fried tofu.
Oh yeah, fried tofu.
Yeah.
So we loved the vegan restaurant that we went to. Should probably have dropped it right now in the description box. But make sure y'all support. Make sure you tell them if you come out here to the Bahamas, you tell them that you found us through the Family O, or found them through the Family O. And we'll see you guys for dinner.
All right, y'all.
You want to push your hand through or push my hand through?
All right.
So we are, what is this area called?
The Promenade.
Promenade. So these are kind of like the shops and little mall area inside of the ship.
Yeah, it looked like a official mall, seriously.
For real.
It's very different.
We're looking for Ben & Jerry's. They have a Ben & Jerry's on here.
Oh, here it is,
Ben & Jerry's has vegan ice cream, so we're praying and hoping that they got some.
Yeah, and y'all know I can't believe my husband said this, but he was like, "Oh, sorry, baby." He was like, even if we have to pay for it, he's open to getting it.
Y'all non-dairy. It's all good. See, everybody just kind of chilling. I wanted to get some fruit, but babe said no because I'm gonna get full.
And then it'll be time for dinner, and then he's gonna be like, "Oh, babe, I have to do something extra before we eat."
What you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, you talking about going to the bathroom?
Yeah. He had to leave us at breakfast earlier today because just eat.
That's what it's all about on these cruise ships.
Yeah.
Eat, sleep, and poop. How about that? I said it.
I
said it. Well, do you want to go take a look at the theater? right there.
It's right here, babe.
It's right here.
Okay, it's right here. I keep telling babe to let us get some rest. Excuse me, baby. Let us get some rest so we don't oversleep like we did yesterday for dinner. That's a nice chair, babe. Look, check out.
Well,
But it's great, right? Hello. Let's see. Come on.
ooh, you want to play a game if we can, Bill? This is another little part. I don't know. This is the Star Lounge. Maybe it's just a little chill spot.
Yeah.
These kids are playing some kind of game on here. All right, y'all, so we just took a little bit of rest and relaxation. We're headed to our My Time dining. We didn't make an appointment this time, so we might have to wait a little bit, but we're really excited to see what the chef puts together for us. So I just want y'all to see how massive this ship is. We don't even feel like we're on a boat right now.
Tell me what you know. Voodoo child and shooter.
It literally feels like being in a shopping mall. They got stuff for sale here. Oh, look at this.
I know, my boy.
Oh, wow. Oh, let's see the watches. And they got any $30 watches.
Citizen watch. Look at this. Look at the price tag for this. It's a shocker thing.
Not when I can get it for $30
That's
at Kohl's. Oh, man. Not when I can get that same watch for $30 at Kohl's. As a matter of fact, look, the watch I got on. Look.
Yeah.
It's the same. It's an Armatron. It's not Casio, but.
Yeah. It just says 75% off though, so it is discounted.
75% off that price over there?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that changes the game.
Yeah.
Might have to come back.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys at dinner. Peace. All right, so I noticed something on the menu that I wanted to ask about. It wasn't, they're already making us, they're making us a special meal, but I saw that they had olive and olive tartare of some sort.
Eggplant.
Eggplant, thank you. So this is it right here. And look at that.
Smells good.
It's good. I love olives. Babe does not, but she's gonna try some with me. And yeah, so this is looks really good. Looks very highfalutin as well. So this is the eggplant on top. I think this is chickpea right here, and that's the hummus that's on the bottom. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Babe, one thing I want you to eat, this, is that crushed olives that's right by the leaf?
Let's taste it and see.
Okay, because I really don't want to eat that.
Yep, that's
It is? Ooh,
It's
I'll
so
give you
good.
mine. Yucky.
So good.
Okay,
Everything.
baby.
Wanna try some?
Look at our little angel, y'all.
Good. All right, so they brought us some chicken chong.
Yeah.
Like Cheech and Chong. That looks good. And what you got there?
And quesadillas.
It's beans inside.
Maybe you have to taste it and see. You might like it, Onies. Yeah, you might actually like it though once you taste it, baby.
They have a few more items they're gonna bring for us.
Yeah.
I think. Is this just mine or where
We're
my
supposed
business?
to share. It's in the middle.
Ah, okay.
We just don't know where the rest
They
is.
brought us some fried tofu and noodles and some rice.
Thank you.
It's so good. I'm about to tear this down. All right. I know. So they gave us some coconut pudding. Let's see how it tastes. It's like ice cream.
Babe
Like
says that
room-
about everything.
Room temperature
Let me
ice
tell y'all something about my wonderful husband. When we first started dating years ago, my babe would eat every single thing I cooked. So for a moment there, I'm like, is this really good or is he just love to eat? Now, I tasted this coconut pudding before he did, y'all. I'm not a big coconut person. I tried this stuff, y'all. It is not good. I mean, if you like coconut, you might like it, but this, Libby, what you think? Did you taste some? You didn't like it?
I didn't like it. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all in the morning.